In this tutorial, I will discuss about block level and inline element. In this tutorial, I will show you what is the difference between block level and inline element, and how to use, how to handle block level and inline element when you write code. Okay, block level and inline elements. Each element, each HTML element has a default display value. Display value means how to appear your HTML tag, or how to display the HTML tag. When the HTML code appear into the web page, how it will react. Okay, how can it will react? It will react only to a block level or inline element. Okay, so each HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. Okay, different HTML tag has different display value, like a heading tag h1 to h6, and difference from div. Okay, default display value for the most element is block or inline. Maximum element is block or inline. Block level element, a block level element always start a new line and takes up to full width. Okay, it will take full width, it will capture left to right full. Okay, it and takes up to full width across left and right available. Block level element like header, h1 to h6, paragraph text, section tag, div, footer, etc. You can also check the full list from W3 schools. This is the full list also. Here is the all HTML tag, HTML block level element. Okay, also you can check from W3 schools, and also I will give my give all the block level and inline element list in my description box, video description box. Okay, inline element, it does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. It's width based. Okay, inline elements are span, img, a, break, br, button, strong, etc. Let's go to live. This is our previous folder that we have created in our previous tutorial, first tutorial, something like that. In our previous tutorial, we have showed that how to work with image and how to create hyperlink. Okay, this is the launch into Firefox. You can see. Okay, first refresh, delete the code. Sorry. First delete the code and remove the code. Okay, first h1, suppose h1 is a block level element. Okay, write I am PHP developer. Okay, and refresh your browser. You can see I am PHP developer. When you click here, you can see it will take full width. Okay, it will full width. How can it understand? Now also write, suppose h3, h3, h1, h3, h1 to h6 is a block level element. Okay, now right, you can see h3 takes a new line. Also in our page you can see a block level element have p, paragraph tag, div. Okay, now also you can write here p tag /p, something like that. I am Java programmer and PHP based web developer. Okay, just refresh. You can see the paragraph tag also takes a new line. This is our first h1 tag. You can see h1 tag, h3 tag, and p tag. Okay, h1 tag takes a new line, and when you use, you can see I don't use any break, HTML break tag. Okay, just write our tags. The three tags takes a different new lines and 3 lines. h1 tag takes a full tag, okay, full width. Then when I write the h3 tags, it will takes the full width and start a new line. When I write a paragraph tag, it will take a new line and takes full width, okay. It will full width, and for this the new when I write the paragraph tag, it will take a new line, cause when you have write or I have write the h3 tag, it take the full width from left to right side, okay. And for this paragraph tag also a block level element take a new line, okay. Also you can write here, suppose div is a suppose div slash div, you can write here anything. Suppose I am learning web design, I am learning web design. Suppose refresh your browser, you can see it starts new line, okay. I am learning web design. So block level element always take new line. You can see that's a lot of space in the right side, all text, okay. I am PHP developer, but you can see a lot of space in right side. I am PHP developer, you can see the lot of space. Also paragraph tag and have a lot of space in the right side. Div tag also have a lot of space, but it doesn't start in the right side. It all the text start a new line, okay. If you write only one letter, something like that, section is a SECTI, section is a block level element, SECTI1 section is a block level element. It is important tutorial for the beginners, because they don't know and they cannot use properly padding and margin, because they don't know that what is block level and what is inline element, okay. So it is the important element. You can see I am learning web design, start a new line, sorry, here just write I, okay. Div section I have write I am learning web design, section I have write just I, okay. Save the file and refresh your browser, you can see I also start a new line, okay. But when you write inline element, something like that, we can check our page that inline element is pen img a etc, okay. Like write span first, okay. I have showing just example, you will check all that, check one, learn web design, okay. You can see it will start new line, but not takes the new line, because our previous our previous section div is a block level element. The block level element section capture the full width from left to right, and for this our inline element begin with new line, but it not takes new line. When you understand, you can understand now that when I write again a tag, something like that, link tag href equal to something like that a, okay. Hyperlink tag web design, just to refresh, you can see it starts in the right side, okay. Span learn web design, then I have write web design into hyperlink tag. It don't take any new line, it starts the left side, okay. You can see it starts the left side. I hope you understand that what is the difference between block level and inline element. In the web design, when you want to that like write a code, a block level element, and you want to place inline element into the left side or right side, you need to use some fixed width. When you fixed the width, it will take the size, okay. Suppose you want to, I have write in the section area I, and I want to take the learn web design, okay, into with the I or right side I. How can do this? Just first fix the width, okay. something like that. I have write inline CSS style as STYL style equal to something like that. Suppose with WD is with suppose 100 pixel. Okay, it's with 100 pixel. Okay, and now float using FLOT float LEFT left. Okay, you can see when I have fixed the width 100 pixel, you can also only 15 pixel, you can understand easily. You can see this is the block level element I in our section area. Okay, section area I, but when I fixed the width style inline CSS style with fixed 15 pixel and float left, the inline element learn web design anchor link, you can see span inline web design and hyperlink web design takes their space into the left side, cause they can see available space in the block level element of the right side. Okay, I hope you can understand that how to merge block level and inline element. Also you can make to inline element to block level element to inline element. How can you do it? You can easily do it something like that. When you write, suppose here, first here write, I have write the all inline CSS. You can write also into here class and file declaring. Okay, just write STYL style equal to display, right? Display. This is our inline element. Okay, this is our inline element, but I want to make it block level element. You can see now it react as inline element. Okay, but I want to make it the block level element. Just display BLOCK block, just using display block and refresh. You can see it takes a new line. Okay, I hope you understand. Also you can convert block level element to inline element, something like that. STYL style style equal to DIS display inline, just display inline. Refresh, but we can't see any changes cause the after cause H1 is a inline element, but H3 is a block level element. But when you using here inline element like something like that, AHREF hyper reference, I am showing just example that how it works and how to handle this when you write HTML CSS code. Okay, I mean when you write the web design code, how to handle there and how to use padding margin. Okay, something like that. And PHP developer and lab PROGRAMM and the programming, something like that. Now refresh your browser, you can see takes a inline CSS get a space into the right side, cause I am PHP developer H1 tag, I have already converted into inline element, and for this the H1 tag just space, for this a anchor tag, I mean hyperlink tag getting space in the right side. But if you remove, it will now react as a block level element and this tag will be not a space. Okay, you can see it is the under, but when you convert it to the inline element, it will takes the left side space. Okay, so I hope understand and you can easily handle how to block level element and how to handle the inline element. Okay, I hope you you understand. It is the most important tutorial for the beginners, that how to handle the block level and display, block level and inline element. Okay, so practice.